Well, because of clear skies and beautiful weather today, there's a chance you might see a SpaceX launch tonight. They have a 2-hour window that started at 5:40. It goes until 7:40 tonight. They had delayed that a little bit, so look to the northeast. You might see that.
Right.
That
It's always kind of
contrail.
interesting to see that, too. And we have another little space thing going on tomorrow morning, but you got to get up really early. So set your alarm, Scott, right around 5:36. Look to the west-northwest, and it'll be up there just about 30 degrees above the horizon, so it won't be right overhead, but it'll appear north-northwest and then disappear east-northeast. It's up there for 5 minutes, though, and it starts at 5:36. Lakewood Ranch looking pretty good there. Skies clear for the most part. Once in a while, some fair weather cumulus clouds moving on through. Temperatures warm today. Highs in the low 90s, a little bit above average. But the humidity has been so nice as of late, and it was again today with extreme low relative humidity. A few showers associated with the east coast breeze, but this right here is smoke from a controlled burn. You can see that there. And the one down near Northport, too, a pretty good plume of smoke heading off toward the west-southwest. This is not rainfall. This is smoke from a controlled burn just to the east of I-75. And it looks as though that sea breeze is now just starting to move into northwest Bradenton. Do you see that little line right there? That's the sea breeze. So it really hasn't started much, and it really hasn't cooled things down with the exception of that area. 89, the dew point is at 55 degrees. The relative humidity extremely low for this time of year, 31%. It's just unheard of. 91, the high today, a few degrees shy of the record. 87 is the normal, and it doesn't appear that we're going to get much rain over the next several days, but there will be a little bit return of that higher humidity over the weekend. 84 in Orlando, it's 82 in Miami, 90 now in Tallahassee. And temperatures, I mentioned that little sea breeze. Well, there it is, 78 in Bradenton Beach now, 81 in Cortez, 87 though still in Bradenton, so it hasn't made it through there. Arcadia at 74 with that east coast breeze making it all the way over to them now. As far as the forecast goes hourly, tomorrow looks like this, a high again near 90. Plenty of sunshine, just a few clouds, mainly in the afternoon and evening. Well, a lot of clouds out here and some waves starting to get higher. It's going to generate some big surf. I know a lot of surfers head off to the east coast when we have a storm, and they're getting theirs, it looks like, over the next 2 days, 60% chance of this developing. Even if it doesn't develop, it's going to generate some pretty good surf along the east coast of Florida. And it looks like reconnaissance aircraft will investigate it tomorrow to see indeed if there is a tropical characteristics or if there is a significant low pressure there. It's going to be moving off toward the Carolinas. Looks like right now it'll be a big rainmaker mainly. That would be about it with some strong winds, but none of the models are too confident that it will be a strong system at this point. We have two models showing it going toward the east coast of Florida, but more than likely not the case, although our particular forecast model with our company showing rotation and circulation right there and another one up here. So this one shows it kind of splitting apart. I would go with the one near Carolina coast at this point, but we'll keep a watch on it nonetheless. 80 degrees in Minneapolis, 85 now in Detroit, 71 in Minot, and look at that big cool down in Denver now at 46 degrees. For boaters, east winds turn to the north. Now we'll start off at 15 knots, subside to 5 to 10 in the afternoon. Seas running right around 2 feet with a light chop. A lot of boating going on this weekend too. Looks to be okay. We'll see some east winds, and it may pick up a bit depending upon that storm, but right now it looks to be pretty good over the weekend. 87 degrees for beaches tomorrow, and the water temperature now at 80 degrees. The tide's upcoming. The next low tide for Sarasota Bay, not until 11:55 tonight. Sunset will be at 8:17. Tonight, mostly fair, mild, 68 for your low. We'll have a northeast wind at 5 to 10. And then tomorrow, plenty of sunshine in the morning, a few clouds in the afternoon, and staying dry, though. Relative humidity still comfortable tomorrow. The 7-day forecast does call for a return of some low-level moisture anyway on Saturday, and then 30% chances from Memorial Day out into Thursday.